Direct OE Fitment. Taillamps Assembly are compatible with 1999 to 2006 Chevy Silverado 1500, 2500, 3500 1500 HD 2500 HD, 2007 Silverado Classic Body Style, 1999 to 2002 GMC Sierra 1500, 2500, 3500 Tail Lights Assembly. Does not fit Z71, barn door, sidestep models. Pickup truck not included. Enhance rearward visibility look. A pair of AUTOSAVER88 taillights with turn signals running light will upgrade your lighting to make your vehicle more visible to other drivers' passengers, also adding style to the rear of your vehicle. Weatherproof construction. Completely sealed with silicone equipped with one-way vent to prevent moisture from getting trapped inside. The thoroughly tested housing ensures reliable vibration resistance and UV corrosion protection. Increase driving safety. The one-piece impact-resistant polycarbonate lens and metal plating dramatically improve the illumination. The sided safety reflector makes others more quickly notice you. Installation tips. Bulbs not included. Easily plug your OE bulbs in the center of tail lamp socket to avoid oblique bulbs melting the housing. Note: professional installation would be highly recommended. Top reviews from the United States. New tail lights. My old ones were a 21-year OEM part and getting pretty dingy. These new ones were delivered on time in good packaging and fit really well. Don't do what I did, remove all the bulbs and try to remember the order to fit back into the sockets. Top to bottom mine are dark, gray and white. They look really good on my truck and add just a little to the aesthetic of the vehicle.